Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. I'm back with Jake Isham.
Hey, wait, you're wearing gloves? Do I need to wear gloves?
If you want.
Okay, I'm
it's
gonna
a
wear
little
gloves.
cleaner.
I'm gonna wear gloves.
So we're going to be doing a marble pour technique today, and I call this the Jake Isham, only because he came up with it last year. I'm sure other people have done it. I don't really care, but we were doing marble pour together, and I normally put it on the canvas and then pour over it. But instead of doing that, Jake dropped it in his cup and flip cupped it. And I actually loved how that came out. So that's what we're gonna do today.
This is the advantage of if you don't know what you're doing and you just say, I'm gonna try this.
Right?
So not knowing it and not having the experience it sometimes makes it even better.
Pays off.
Because then you can figure it out. And you can try something new that somebody might not have ever done before.
Exactly. So we're doing a bunch of metallics. Use about 6 ounces. And then I'm also throwing some Merlot in here for contrast and also some turquoise. So I've got pearl, copper, Merlot, and turquoise. I am going to use a little bit of the regular white also. I grabbed the wrong bottle. That's a really little bit. You ready?
High drop, low drop. High drop, low drop.
I think it doesn't matter
Medium
at
drop.
all.
3.
Okay, then we're gonna flip cup this.
Oh, you just
I've had some practice.
it scares me still. I am not a pro.
All right, ready?
Wow. Oh, wow, wow, wee, wow.
Okay. Jake is silly in case anybody doesn't know. And make sure you check out Jake's channel. I'll post it down in the description. All right, so we're gonna use this marble. It's going to basically wreck this pattern, which I really hope, because mine primarily looks copper right now.
And mine is just a lot of white cells.
Yeah, how'd you get so much white in there?
I put the white on the top, the bottom.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm scared to run it off now.
It's gonna work out. Don't worry, guys. We got this.
All right, ready? It's coming off.
Okay. Oh, you got lots of cells in yours. Okay.
It's like
I'm
those
gonna go ahead
games
and
you
tilt.
played as a kid.
I know, right? I really hope some other color comes back up. It looks like it.
Oh, there we go.
Copper's just hiding everything, but I think some other cells will come out.
All right, I'm really loving mine.
I like yours too. Mine, I'm not quite so sure about. But I think it's gonna come together. All right, I'm gonna let mine sit because I think it's gonna have reactions pop up. Yours looks awesome. Okay, let's let these sit for a little while, see anything else that occurs, and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up.
Marbles are for sale, $1 million each.
We'll get your coins. So I definitely have some reactions coming up. I actually want to bring it back this way a little bit because I love this section up here. So I want to kind of stretch that out. And I don't really like down here. So this is how we do.
Reveal in 5, 4, 1.
I'm not very good at countdowns apparently. But there we go. I like that a lot better. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can even go back and bring it. I mean, I'm a center type of guy.
Oh, I like
You're an
that.
off-center type
I'm
of
maybe
gal.
a little more this way though. I wouldn't be mad at that. There we go. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we leave it.
But
Walk away.
the turquoise with the copper.
Yeah.
Cool mix. Cool mix.
All right. So here's mine. I was a little apprehensive, but I love how it came out.
Oh, it turned out beautiful.
Yeah. And the turquoise with the copper is an awesome combination there. And then Jake's, I love, love, love. You got some amazing lacing.
Really great cells.
Yeah, look at that. super cool. So if you haven't yet, try the flip cup marble Jake Isham technique. Have fun with it. And we'll see you all next time.